Are you looking for the top 5 best computer power supplies? Everyone thinks the best-selling computer power supply is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1. CyberPower CP1500PFC LCD. The CyberPower CP1500PFC LCD caught my eye right away, especially with its 1500 VA capacity and sleek design. It's positioned as a reliable battery backup and surge protector, and honestly, if you want to ensure your sensitive equipment stays powered even during outages, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This UPS system provides a pure sine wave output, which is crucial for protecting your computers and electronics against power fluctuations. It offers 12 outlets, 6 of which are battery backup, so you can connect multiple devices without worry. The automatic voltage regulation means it can correct minor fluctuations without switching to battery, extending battery life significantly. Plus, it has 2 USB ports, making it easy to charge your devices. With over 8,000 units sold just last month, people obviously trust it. Now, some users did mention that it can be a bit bulky, weighing in at nearly 25 pounds. Here's the thing though, if you're concerned about power stability, that weight translates to solid performance and durability. If portability isn't your concern, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're setting up a home office or want peace of mind during storms. Skip this one if you need something lighter for a mobile setup, but for value, it's hard to beat. Now, if that weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. MSI Mag A750GL. Next up is the MSI Mag A750GL. I noticed its compact design and fully modular setup right away, priced at around $86.99. If you want a reliable, compact power supply for gaming, this is definitely worth considering. The 750-watt output is perfect for mid to high-end gaming rigs. What's impressive about this power supply is its 80+ gold certification, meaning it delivers up to 90% efficiency. So you're not just saving power, you're also keeping your system cooler and quieter. It's designed to handle the latest PC components with PCIe 5.1 compatibility, ensuring you can power the newest GPUs without a hitch. Plus, with a 10-year warranty, it's clear MSI stands behind their product. However, some buyers have pointed out issues with the cable lengths being a bit short for larger cases. Here's the thing though, if you have a compact build, this is a non-issue. Just make sure it fits your case layout before buying. This is perfect for you if you're building a new gaming PC and need a dependable, budget-friendly option that won't compromise on quality. Skip this one if you have a large tower and need longer cables, but for the price, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking to push their systems further. Product number 3. Corsair RM750E. Now, let's talk about the Corsair RM750E. Coming in at around $89.99, this PSU caught my attention with its fully modular design and sleek aesthetics. If you want a power supply that's quiet and efficient, this is worth a serious look. The RM750E is compliant with the new ATX 3.1 standard and supports PCIe 5.1, which means it can handle the latest graphics cards without a hiccup. Its 120mm fan is designed to keep noise levels down, even under load, which is great if you're gaming or working in a quiet environment. The 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors ensure reliable performance over time, which is crucial for any power-hungry setup. Corsair's reputation in the industry certainly adds to its credibility, and with thousands sold, it's a popular choice among builders. On the downside, some users found it a bit pricey compared to competitors. Here's the thing though, when you factor in the efficiency and the noise level, it may just save you more in the long run on your electric bill and provide a better overall experience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-quality PSU that balances performance with low noise. Skip this one if you're on an extreme budget, but for that extra peace of mind and efficiency, it's a great pick. Now, if you liked the features of the RM750E, the next one might just meet your needs even better.
Product number 4, MSI A850GL. Next on the list is the MSI MAG A850GL, which retails for about $118. What stood out to me is its fully modular design and the extra power it offers. If you need something that can handle a beefier setup, this is worth a serious consideration. With 850 watts of power and 80+ gold certification, you're getting high efficiency and the ability to run more demanding components. Like its sibling, it's PCIe 5.1 ready, ensuring compatibility with the latest GPUs. The fully modular design allows you to connect only the cables you need, which keeps your build clean and organized. Plus, it shares that impressive 10-year warranty, so you know it's built to last. However, some users mentioned that it can run a bit hot under heavy load. Here's the thing though, the cooling system is designed to handle that, and for most users it won't be an issue. If you plan to overclock or run very high-end components, just make sure your case has good airflow. This is perfect for you if you're aiming for a high-performance gaming rig that needs a reliable power supply. Skip this one if you're strictly using lower-end components, but for serious builds, it's an excellent choice. Now, if you want something that really focuses on efficiency and performance, let's talk about the final pick.
Product number 5, Corsair RM850X. Finally, we have the Corsair RM850X, priced at about $129.99. Its reputation as a low-noise, high-efficiency power supply is what caught my attention. If you're serious about your PC performance and want the best, this is worth a serious look. This power supply is also 80+ gold certified, rated for up to 91% efficiency. That means less energy waste, cooler temperatures, and a quieter system overall. The fully modular design means you can connect only what you need, minimizing cable clutter. The native 12V 2x6 connector ensures you won't need any adapters for the latest graphics cards. Plus, Corsair's embossed cables not only look great, but are also much easier to manage. Some users have expressed concerns about the price being on the higher side. Here's the thing. With that high efficiency and reliability, you're investing in a power supply that likely outlasts cheaper alternatives. For anyone serious about gaming or content creation, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a high-end, reliable power supply that keeps noise and energy costs low. Skip this one if your budget is tight, but if you can stretch it a bit, you won't regret this investment.
So, to recap, we covered the CyberPower CP1500 PFCL LCD for ultimate protection, the MSI MAG A750GL for compact gaming, the Corsair RM750E for efficiency, the MSI MAG A850GL for high-performance needs, and finally, the Corsair RM850X for premium quality. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but choosing the right power supply depends on your specific needs. Make sure to pick one that matches your setup for the best performance.